this is Sanjana. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're seeing this face for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon for the notification of my latest video. And in today's video I'm gonna share with you how I do shave my facial hair and do my eyebrows at home. Well, previously I didn't do anything with my whole facial hair, and I just used to go to the salon and get done threading my eyebrows and my upper lips, but that used to me hurt like hell. The eyebrows were like okay, average wala pain, but the upper lips hurt me like hell. But yeah, then in lockdown I earned some special skills, and I'm gonna share with you that. So if you're interested, then please keep on watching. Okay, so there are some myths that I'm going to blast at first, because the first myth is that shaving can give you redness and like acne and bumps, and the hair goes on thicker later on and your face becomes like jungly. But nothing like that happens, because I was also scared at first to try this because of these myths. But then one of my friends, she was also very hairy like me, and she just suggested me to do this because nothing happened to her. And then I also tried this and nothing happened to me. I have been now shaving my face and doing my eyebrows around for 2 to 3 months, and well, doing my eyebrows is for 2 months, and I have been shaving my face for more than of 3 months, and nothing like that happened. But yeah, shaving is a totally personal choice. You can't also be doing that, because it's a like the hair doesn't do anything to our face. I just do this because I prefer it, and if you prefer it, then you can do it. If you don't, then you don't. So yeah, moving on. But if you have several acne or like some kind of wound or infection on your skin, then I would not suggest you to do these things at home. Go visit a doctor first, treat your skin first, and then you can do this. Now let's jump into the video. Okay, so yeah, here is my bare naked face, and this is the real me. I am a hairy girl. Okay, so starting off, I really want to say that shaving your facial or body hair or trimming it is totally a personal choice. Like it can vary from like each person to person, and I personally prefer my face and body to be hair free, because the makeup sets on better, the foundation glides on more smoothly, and yeah, I just like my face to be like that. And yeah, you can also can't be shaving your face or like your body hair. That is also a beautiful thing. Now coming back, what I used to shave my face is this kind of razor. This is a razor by Sunpay. I loved the process, like I totally loved the process. So today I'm gonna show you how I used to do it. Okay, so to shave your face, you have to have a dried down skin, like a totally dried down skin. You can just wash it with water or just face wash, whatever you prefer. But yeah, do not scrub your face before or after shaving, because it can make your skin more sensitive, and a red bump or like some acne can appear. So yeah, do not scrub your face before or after shaving. You can just wash it with water or like your favorite face wash. I like to do with a face wash, and yeah, I have done it already. And now I do not have any moisturizer or serum like anything on my face, because if you put like something else that will make your skin a little bit like oily, if you know what I mean, then the shaving can get harder. So yeah, you have to have a dried down face. I just took off the cap on my razor, and what I do is I go like this, like on the direction of my hair. And yeah, some people do, I have seen that they have like stretched their skin so much, but yeah, do not do that. It can like make the wrinkles can happen faster. So yeah, I just do it very lightly, like this much, not like this much, like this much. And yeah, it is really harder to do it on camera and at the same time focusing on the mirror. So you can just go like this. Okay, so I'm done with this side of my face. Now I'm moving into this side, and yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so moving on to shave my mustache, and yeah, I think I have most of my hair in my mustache, and that is really funny. But yeah, this is how is it. Okay, so previously I just didn't do this at all, but later on I just used to go to the parlor and just get it done by threading. But that hurt me like hell, like hell. Yes, threading your eyebrows hurt you, but you can just like tolerate it. But threading your mustache, like your upper lip, hurt you the most, at least according to me. Like it hurt me more than waxing my underarms or like hands. And I used to cry like hell. Like I just pushed the salon wali didi and just please stop, and I just couldn't take the pain. So yeah, then I was scared a bit, but yeah, as I told you before, I tried shaving and there is no going back. Like I'm never going to get it done by threading again. I'm just going to shave it because it is painless, quickie, and yeah, everything is good in it. So yeah, let's move into it. Okay, so how I like to shave my upper lips is I just get close to the mirror and I just do my face like this, and I just go in the direction of the hair. Like if the hair is like this, so I go like this, and if the hair is like straight, so I go straight. Alright, so moving on into the most important part is doing your eyebrows, and this can be a little tricky. So if you are not enough confident, I would suggest you to just go to the parlor and get it done by the professionals, because that is more preferable, because if you are scared. But yeah, in lockdown I have earned some special skills and this is just one of them. But I don't shave in the closest area of my eyebrows. I just prefer to plug them by this kinds of tweezer. Well, there are a lot of good tweezers in the market, but I prefer this one. This one is also suggested my friend who suggested me the Sunfer razor, and this one is by GUBB USA. Maybe that's what the name is. I don't know the exact name. And yeah, I will give the link down below. You can check that out. This comes in a mini trio pack. In that you get a square head, a slanted head, and this kind of like a sharp head. I like to use this one because this gives me like more precision in plucking my eyebrows, and yeah, this is more painless and hassle free. So yeah, let's get into it. So as you can see, I have quite a lot of ingrown hair around my eyebrows. Not too much, but yeah, quite an average amount. And first I'm gonna shave it and then trace it. So yeah, I'm taking the razor in a slanted way for my unibrows and I'm just shaving it. You have to be very careful so that you can like shave your actual eyebrow. Some people also like to keep the unibrows, so it's up to your choice. I liked it to be totally clean. And now I'm shaving my forehead, keeping it away from my hairline. Well, you have to be a little bit careful and don't take the razor too much closer to your eyebrow. Okay, tweezing time you guys, and yeah, you can't go wrong with this kinds of tiny pointed headed tweezer because these are just perfect for like plucking the extra hairs. So as you can see, I'm just following my natural eyebrow shape. I'm not doing any experiment, and you shouldn't also, otherwise you may end up like plucking the your actual eyebrows. So I'm just following the natural shape and I'm just plucking the extra fine hairs that are around my eyebrows. And yeah, you don't have to put a lot of pressure, like be gentle because that is your eye and our eye area is very sensitive, and if it hurts you a lot then you can also take a rest. I'm like tolerable to the pain, so I'm continuing it. And as you can see in the next clip, my right eyebrow is plucked and my left eyebrow is totally a mess right now, but yeah, the right one is nicely done. So I'm moving on and doing the same with my left eyebrow. And yeah, I'm done with plucking and I'm just like brushing up my eyebrows with a clean spoolie to just give it a more nicer and cleaner look. And that is my brow grooming routine at home. As you can see, it is nicely groomed and I haven't used any makeup, and this is how it is naturally. And I really like this, and I am never going to parlor, you guys. So that was it for today's video, guys. I hope this video was helpful and you enjoyed. If you did, then please give me a big fat thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon for the notification of my latest video, and you can also follow me on social media. I will put up my ID right here so you can follow me, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye.